Award-winning and highly innovative, the National Boat Show and the Dive Expo is Africa's largest and leading boat, dive and leisure show. Top-class exhibitors showcase the latest boating, fishing, scuba, water sport and outdoor leisure products, as well as marina property investments and destinations. It's not surprising then that the National Boat Show was voted the best consumer and trade show by the Exhibition and Event Association of Southern Africa. The wide-ranging appeal of the show lies in its ability to continually offer visitors new attractions, the latest products and a host of entertaining leisure events. The National Boat Show pushes traditional show boundaries by constantly innovating and introducing new visitor draw cards. These included the Rapala VMC Fishing for the Future workshops, attracting aspiring and professional anglers, and the Learn to Dive activity area, where visitors could try their hand at scuba diving under the supervision of PADI dive masters. An annual show highlight is the Wake Wars event, where SA's top wakeboarders show off their fearless skills and tricks. The National Boat Show also offers visitors one of the biggest prize bounties of all local exhibitions, with hundreds of thousands of rands in prizes being given away in competitions each year. These competitions form part of the show's extensive marketing campaign worth 8 million rand that not only keeps the industry and consumers informed of show developments, but also grows the sector by introducing the boating and leisure lifestyle to thousands of South Africans. It's all this that keeps our exhibitors and visitors coming back for more each year. So come, be part of Africa's biggest boat and leisure show, where quality successfully combines with quantity.